Are you thinking of ditching Windows 11 and jumping into the world of Linux? While it sounds tempting, here are some real confirmed reasons why that move might not be so smooth for everyone. Alright, first up on the list, we have software compatibility. If you rely on apps like Adobe Premium, Photoshop, or even full-featured Microsoft Office, Linux just can't run them natively. Yes, there are workarounds like Wine or virtual machines, but they're often buggy, lack full-featured support, and aren't ideal for professional workflows. For many creators and professionals, that's a deal breaker. Next, gaming. If you're a gamer, you might not want to switch to Linux anytime soon. While Linux has made huge progress with Steam's Proton, not all games work perfectly. Anti-cheat systems in games like Fortnite or Warzones still have major issues on Linux. If you're a gamer, expect some limitations or headaches. Next up would be hardware support. Can also be hit or miss when it comes to Linux. Some printers, webcams, and Wi-Fi chips don't have stable Linux drivers, but they do have stable Windows drivers. And if you're using a high-end laptop or custom-built PC, Linux might not fully support features like power management, high refresh rate displays, or dedicated GPU switching. And let's be real, Linux has a steep learning curve. If something breaks, you're often stuck in forums or in your command line for hours. For non-tech savvy users, that's frustrating and time consuming. Now, maybe you're still thinking about switching. If so, you can go check out the video that I did a little while back. It talks a little bit more about Windows versus Linux. Even talks about Linux versus Linux versus Linux. And what I mean by that is the different distributions. If you're still thinking about switching, let me know in the comments what's holding you back or pushing you forward. But all in all, I hope at the end of this video, most of the users out there will just be moving to Windows 11 for all of the reasons I just mentioned. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe down below, and I will see you on the next one.